Brighten Your Trail features a durable die-cast aluminum body with dual-row 10, 800 lumens and 120-watt output. YITAMOTOR 24 Off-Road LED Light Bar is an ideal midsize light choice for off-road use and will light up everything in front of you. Solid construction. The YITAMOTOR 120W LED work light bar comes with the mounting brackets and wiring kit for easy installation. With more than 50,000 hours of lifespan, it is more durable than the competitor's version. While the IP67 rating make it incredibly resistant to water and dust. Buy with confidence. Make night like day. The combination of two 60-degree flood beam and one 30-degree spot beam makes it lighter and wider to give you an incredibly clear visibility in any terrains, which helps avoid potential hazards on the road ahead. More than a light bar. The work light can be compatible for almost all Jeeps, 4x4, trucks, cars, motorcycles, SUVs, ATVs, boats. Besides that, this universal off-road LED light bar also works great as driving light, fog light, or for emergence use. Money back. Making you a happy customer is our guideline. Your satisfaction is backed by our risk-free 30-day money-back, and 2-year against any defects. Give it a shot, you will never go wrong with the YITAMOTOR 24 inches LED light bar. Note: professional installation would be highly recommended. Top reviews from the United States. Not too shabby. I put this on my tractor and the only thing I don't like is when it is off there is an off light on the switch which will slowly drain the battery.